Final words and my question to you. Okay, if you made it all the way here, honestly, I'm super proud of you because, most people start things, start watching courses and never actually finish them. And yeah, sometimes I'm also one of those people and that makes me especially proud of you because that already puts you ahead of a lot of people. And I'm really curious about one thing. What surprised you the most during the course? What made you go like, oh wait, that explains a lot. Tell me because I'm so curious. I really need to hear your perspective and what stood out to you. And also, if you have a minute, I'd really appreciate you leaving a review because I read them all and it helps me understand what you liked and what you didn't like. Tell me what you think, what was exciting and new for you. It can be one sentence or two sentences, so I promise it won't take you much time. And now just go and test all the new things on your own content, but remember not to do everything today so you don't get overwhelmed, okay? And I really hope this helps you move faster towards your goals. And also tell me in the discussion section what those goals are, like what am I rooting for? Because yeah, I really keep my fingers crossed for you so much. So I hope to see you in the discussion and review section. See you there.